Hey everyone, it's Lee, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a room in WhatsApp. It's a super simple process, so let's jump straight into it. First, open up WhatsApp and go to the calls option at the very bottom of the screen. If you don't see the create a room option, or in my case it may be called create a call link, just pull down on the screen and it should appear. If not, you can need to close and reopen the app. Once you see the create a room option, tap on it and you can then set a room activity or theme, or you can skip this step. Next, choose who can join the room. By default, anyone with a link can join, but you can choose also to choose to restrict it to specific people. Once you're done, tap create room at the bottom. Now you can send a link to anyone you want to join the room. You can do this by tapping on the send link on WhatsApp, choose a contact, and then sending a link. You can invite up to 50 people to join the room. That's it, you've created a room in WhatsApp. It's a great way to have a video call with multiple people at once. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.